Aruba has decided to put in a proposal for the Best Life 2030 funding scheme for the continuation of the Turning the Tide project, in which both mangrove systems as well as coral reef systems were supported in regaining health. And in this particular case, we have chosen to focus on sustainable funding as well as the creation of a volunteer base that actually expands the group of people that supports coral reef restoration through the assistance of artificial reefs and the outplanting of coral fragments along the coast of Aruba, which is a practice that we have developed over the past 3 years in collaboration with different universities and local stakeholders, mainly Aruba Conservation Foundation as well as Cubble Bubble Foundation in Aruba and international academic partners. It is extremely important for our island because over the past decades we have lost most of the coral cover and most of the coral diversity around Aruba, and with a combination of both increasing climate change pressure as well as the pressure of more built-up environment and more activity on land, we've seen that our coral reefs have been decimated, and by kickstarting the coral reefs again to become healthy, we can support the rebound of these vital coral reef systems. The coral reefs are important yet again by themselves for biodiversity, but also as nursery grounds for fish, conch, all kinds of marine species, and they are also coastal protection against extreme weather events.